90 Days Mentoring Challenge, what it has done for me and how it could be beneficial for all of you. Over my 13 years of professional career, I have established myself as a technical expert and I feel proud of that. But after completing this 90 days challenge with Mark Smith, I realized I need to move forward and have to sit with the business rather than sitting in a room and just doing the coding. I always used to read technical books, but after this I found I have to read a lot of non-technical books which helped me a lot to make better decision making. It helped me to connect with different peers across the world and found so many good friends in this way. It helped me to find a motivation to go and become a part of a community, as well as to become a better decision maker where I can choose my career path where I have to go in next 5, 10 or 15 years. One of the best outcomes, I will say that one, to learn an art how to pay it forward to others. Above all, you will find a great friend who will be your mentor, NZ365 guy.